How to keep marriage exciting? Yeah, that's a question that we get and that you find all over the place in tabloids and magazines. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I'm going to turn things upside down for you. Exciting. You know what they mean, right? They mean sex. Sex is exciting. So are roller coasters. So is falling out of an airplane without a parachute. What do you really want in your marriage? You know, even the body, the human body, can only handle so much excitement. Then it burns out. The nervous system fries. You want love. You want love. Let's be honest. The thing that you crave from your very heart is love. Nothing is more exciting than feeling that love. Sex is great. I'm not putting it down. I'm not saying don't have sex, but don't reduce yourself. You are a soul. You have a body. You have a mind. You are essentially a soul. Your body is a possession, right? If you lose part of it, if it's injured, you're still intact. Your mind, likewise, is a possession that has taken control over you. And what's controlling your mind? Your biological impulses. And so your mind has turned it into pleasure. Pleasure that satisfies for a few minutes. You know, it's interesting. When I was a kid, people would go out on a date. They'd make a date with somebody, sometimes a week away, and they'd be thinking about that date the whole time, combing their hair, brushing their teeth, making themselves pretty and handsome in anticipation. And sometimes this couple would get together, and if things got really exciting, they might have sex. And then what? It was over. It was over. All that excitement, all that anticipation culminated in it's over. But when you fell in love with your soulmate, when you started nurturing your heart to embrace them with your love, to learn how to love them unconditionally, that's a different kind of excitement. It creates an enthusiasm in you that gives you energy, that lightens your mood, lightens your step, feels right. And that's where you really want to go. You don't want to get these sex toys and dress up stuff and do all that stuff. It's not what you are. You know, there's this whole culture of describing mankind, not just men, but human beings, as nothing more than advanced animals. What a stupid idea. We have a lot in common with certain animals, our blood, our hearts, our lungs. But we're souls that recognize ourselves as such. We recognize our future. We can control our mind. Our mind doesn't have to be reduced down to a puppet of our bodies. We can control our mind. We could have super high thoughts, beautiful feelings, do amazing deeds, have successes. The greatest success, ask Steve Jobs. Oops, he died. And he was one of my heroes. He died and he said, I was a failure in the most important endeavor of life. And in his mind, he thought that was having family, But it's much deeper than that and more simple than that. It's having love. Love is the epitome of our conscious existence, isn't it? You know, the Western psychological movement describes love as an abstract thought, as an emotion. Nonsense. You have felt it. You have felt the real thing. It is tangible. So what that you can't perceive it with your senses? Your senses are limited. But your heart is vast, infinite. Go for the excitement of developing love. How do you do that? How do you do that? I mean, this all sounds good, right? But how do you do that? And I'm going to tell you how you do that. We feel love as we are giving it, because we can't produce love. We're not the makers of love, but we experience love. And when we give love voluntarily, we could juice it up. We could push that love out. We could visualize. Animals can't visualize, by the way. We visualize. We open our hearts in our visualization. Open a door. Pretend there's a door on your heart. Open it up and let liquid love flow out and surround your spouse and push it out. And that love is going to flow through you even more and more and more. It'll make you intoxicated. You'll be like drunk with love. Will they feel it? Part of them will, but our minds block what we're really feeling in that regard, but they will see indicators. They will see your eyes light up. They will see the smile on your face. They will feel your presence as peaceful as loving, and they will respond. Don't then take that right away to the bedroom. Sure, having sex is a great vehicle for expressing love, but work on the metaphysical aspects of it primarily. Build the foundation of your marriage, which is love. Remember, the foundation of your marriage is love. Keep building that foundation. Love is infinite, and it ever expands. This can almost sound like going to church, right? I almost wrote a book called Marriage is a Religion. In a way it is, because that ultimate experience that we all crave comes from deep within. It's the soul's yearning to reconnect with love. And marriage is the most incredible vehicle to achieve that. And you have the power to do so. It's a setup, a positive setup. But you have to keep your love in a sacred space. You should definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn more. Get one of my books. Go to the Marriage Foundation website. See what we have to offer. I really appreciate your coming here because I want you to be happy. I want you to feel that joy that marriage is constructed to bring you. Feel that love. Give that love. Don't be distracted. Don't let things undermine it. Don't listen to your mind when it comes up with petty complaints or nervousness or discouragement. Don't listen to those thoughts. You control your mind. You control which thoughts you'll entertain and which ones you'll throw away. All about love. That's what marriage is, all about love. You want a strong marriage? That's how you do it. You want an exciting marriage? That's how you do it. It's all about love and happiness. My name is Paul Friedman. Thank you for spending time with me. Like this video, share this video, leave a comment if you will. God bless you. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope to see you again.